VOLKNER Performance S. VOLKNER Mobile, the renowned German luxury motorhome builder, made quite a splash at the 2021 Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf, Germany. Their Performance S motorhome stole the show, with a hidden surprise, a Bugatti Chiron tucked away between the front and rear axle. But that's not all. This incredible motorhome offers a plethora of features that will leave you in awe. From an underbelly mobile garage to a top-of-the-line 355,000 Burmester audio system, it's clear that no expense was spared. Inside, you'll find a luxurious master's bedroom, a spacious shower, and elegant white upholstery that exudes opulence. And let's not forget the fully equipped kitchen, complete with an induction stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator. However, all this luxury comes at a price. The Performance S motorhome, including the Bugatti, will set you back a jaw-dropping $7.7 million. With a starting price of $2.4 million, it's safe to say that the Performance S is one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world. FURION ELYSIUM. The FURION ELYSIUM, a creation by FURION, is an extravagant RV concept that offers a luxurious experience. One of its standout features is the skydeck, situated on the roof of the RV. This skydeck serves as a helipad and entertainment space, providing awe-inspiring panoramic views. Complete with a hot tub, lounge chairs, and a fully equipped bar, it ensures a lavish outdoor experience. The FURION ELYSIUM is a colossal and cutting-edge RV, resembling a high-end motor coach, with a length of approximately 45 feet. Inside, you'll discover a spacious living area that includes a modern kitchen, comfortable seating, and a dining area with a refrigerator. The seating area boasts luxurious leather sofas and a large flat-screen television for your entertainment. Moreover, it is equipped with a smart home automation system that allows you to effortlessly control various aspects of the RV, such as lighting, temperature, and entertainment, all through a convenient mobile app. RIOJA Bespoke Projects. RIOJA Bespoke Projects specializes in creating unique and personalized travel experiences. If you have a fear of flying but still want to indulge in luxury, look no further than RIOJA Singular Vehicles. They specialize in crafting custom RVs equipped with the latest technology. One of their newest models, the Maverick Van Alesh MV12, is like a two-story apartment on wheels that can transform to suit your needs. Inside, you'll find a cozy lounge area with a comfortable couch and dual large screens for entertainment. On the ground level, there are two bedrooms that can accommodate two people each, located at opposite ends. The fully stocked kitchen is a dream come true, complete with a cooking hob, fridge, washing machine, and ample storage space. The bedrooms feature bunk beds and are beautifully furnished. They provide a private space, separating the lounge from the luxurious bathroom. Speaking of which, the bathroom boasts a jacuzzi tub and an enclosed shower that can easily accommodate 3 people. With RIOJA Bespoke Projects, you can travel in style and comfort, enjoying the ultimate luxury on the road. DEMBELL Motorhome. DEMBELL Motorhomes offer a luxurious experience akin to a luxury yacht. The sophisticated and elegant design is evident both inside and out. Measuring 12 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 4 meters high, it provides ample space for comfort. With a small rear garage and 2 slide-outs, one for the kitchen and one for the bedroom, it maximizes functionality. Inside, it comfortably accommodates 4 people for sleeping and dining, while also offering storage for an extended vacation. The cockpit features 4 seats in white leather, equipped with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The kitchen boasts Miele appliances, a dishwasher, induction cooktop, oven, large refrigerator, freezer, hidden evacuation, and ample storage. The showcased customized model in the video is priced at $1.25 million. HYMER Vision Venture. HYMER's Vision Venture is a cutting-edge concept motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with a hybrid all-wheel drive system for enhanced off-road capabilities. The interior boasts a spacious and luxurious living space with a cozy atmosphere, thanks to the use of natural materials. It includes a fully equipped kitchen, dining area, bathroom, and comfortable sleeping area. The layout is designed to maximize space and provide a comfortable living experience, while incorporating innovative features like lightweight construction materials, solar panels, and a heat recovery system. STX2 Pop-Outs and Garage. The STX2 Pop-Outs and Garage is a remarkable vehicle that boasts advanced features and cutting-edge technologies. With its efficient engines, sleek aerodynamic designs, and innovative safety systems, this vehicle is truly exceptional. It comes with various driver assistance systems like active brake assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring safety and efficiency on the road. Designed for the adventurous souls, this model offers a spacious and comfortable living space complete with a fully equipped kitchen, a beautiful bathroom, and a cozy bedroom. The standout feature of this model is its built-in garage, providing ample space for a small car, scooters, motorcycles, or other vehicles. The interior is inspired by exclusive yachts and Nordic design, creating a bright and warm ambience that will make you feel at home no matter where you are. The living spaces are adorned with luxurious materials such as leather, carbon, and precious woods, adding to the overall beauty and quality of the vehicle. ELEMMENT Palazzo. The ELEMMENT Palazzo, manufactured by the Austrian company Markomobile, is a luxurious motorhome that has gained popularity for its futuristic and one-of-a-kind design. Often referred to as a land yacht, the Palazzo stands out with its sleek and aerodynamic appearance, resembling a high-end sports car or a luxury yacht. With its rounded front end and streamlined body, it exudes elegance. Available in various lengths, ranging from 12 to 20 meters, 39 to 65 feet, the Palazzo offers a spacious interior with ample living and entertainment areas. However, this luxury motorhome comes with a hefty price tag, ranging from several $100,000 to over $1 million, depending on the customization and additional features. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel offers a one-of-a-kind experience by blending the thrill of surfing with the comfort of a portable hotel. It's essentially a converted truck that serves as a cozy accommodation on wheels, tailor-made for surfers and adventure enthusiasts. Featuring multiple bedrooms, a communal space, a kitchen, bathrooms, and even a rooftop terrace, the Truck Surf Hotel is ingeniously designed to make the most of its space and provide a snug setting for guests. Equipped with essential amenities like beds, storage areas, seating nooks, and a compact kitchenette, it ensures a comfortable stay. What makes the Truck Surf Hotel stand out is its mobility. Guests can journey to different surf spots and explore diverse coastal regions without the hassle of booking traditional lodgings or arranging transportation. With skilled guides at the wheel, visitors can discover hidden gems and breathtaking locations off the beaten path. RC12M. The RC12M RV motorhome is a remarkable vehicle with a unique surprise up its sleeve. This captivating motorhome stands out as one of the top-tier options in its category, showcasing sleek, minimalist aesthetics and a cohesive design. It perfectly combines elegance and performance, offering an expansive interior that will make you feel like you're in a luxury apartment rather than a motorhome. With 4 spacious slide-outs, the RC12M provides an incredibly spacious lounge, kitchen, and master suite. And let's not forget about the impressive rear garage, which can accommodate a variety of items, even a sports car. STARLINER SL25. The STARLINER SL25 is a unique model that defies the norm by being both compact and practical, while also offering a touch of luxury and top-notch amenities. It can be described as a high-end compact vehicle that includes 2 queen-size beds, a car garage, full automation, and premium features. The STARLINER SL25 RG Executive, on the other hand, surpasses the standard SL25 in length, providing 31.1 meters of interior space compared to the standard 27.2 feet. This model accommodates 4 individuals for sleeping and seating, along with a full bathroom, kitchen, dinette, lounge area, and luxurious finishes reminiscent of a high-end motorhome, complete with a glass display cabinet for your crystalware.